Hello, friends. As you know, we are celebrating this special FinnSys Service Week from 1st February 2019 to 15th February 2019. During this fortnight, we are going to dedicate our special efforts with every FinnSys users to ensure that the data gets perfectly matched with their registrar entries. So we have identified few reasons and going to share the same with you and guide you for a quick fix action on such errors. Before I show you the demo, let me first talk about what are the key reasons due to which such data errors erupts. So generally, these are the 4-5 points which creates data mismatch in the system. The first one and the most important one is the wrongly captured transaction type. Say example, a registrar sends you a switch in transaction file. While sending that file, sometimes by mistake, instead of SI, they send SIM. So when SIM is actually meant for merger in, so by mistake our system captures such switches as merger in. And as you know, in case of merger in, the cost has to be taken as a zero for taxation purpose. So the whole system and the whole ROI in the presentation of the statements and folios gets problematic because of this small transaction error. So we need to identify such errors. We need to find that which all SI has been wrongly captured as SIM. I will show you that shortly how we do that. But the second thing we have to understand are the merger schemes, wherein the registrar sends the merger in and merger out entries, but in our database, somehow we miss that creation of both the schemes after adjustment of new NAV. For example, if prudence is converted into balance advantage, so all the older prudence NAVs has to be readjusted as per the new balance advantage NAV. And besides this, there are few other things like duplicate client creation in the system, which has to be removed. So we will see shortly in the live demonstration what all you can do to help us quickly fix such errors in your system. So let's enter into a demonstrative website wherein I just entered as an admin and chosen this section on the right side. It is search transaction, and once I clicked on search transaction, it will populate me the filter options. Let me get that, just a second. First of all, transaction type is merger in. Oh, sorry, I selected wrong. Let me do it again. Let me select. Oh, this is merger in. Okay, and the date selection I have taken 2004 because this ARN was generated since 2004. You can take any date, but it should be since inception, so that you can remove all possibilities of merger in errors. So since inception till date, I chosen this merger in filter, and it is producing the result. Since it may be the bigger one, so it's taking time. No, it has come up just now. Either you can take a copy from Excel directly from the top, or you can copy everything and take it to Excel. So it's your choice how you take the data. I am hereby copying all the merger in data from here. See, I have selected it, copied it, Okay, and I'm taking it to a new Excel file. So now I am pasting it here. Yes, it is pasted. And then what I did is, again I'm going to the search transaction section. This time I'm choosing merger out. Okay, because merger is in is now copied. I am going to select transaction type as merger out. So I selected merger out. So again it is now opened up. I again chosen merger out from here. I again selected my date as a starting date. So again my output is now coming out. So this is now merger out data in front of me. I am again making a copy from here and will paste it at the same place in the Excel file where I pasted merger in data. So it's a longer file. I'm just copying it till end. Okay, so yes, now it's done. I will copy it now, paste it at the same in the same Excel where I pasted merger in. So now it's done. Okay, great. I'll remove these headers because these are coming in between. So now I have got the whole file. Okay, and this whole file has got both merger in and merger out. From here also I'm removing the one header because one header has to be there only. And then I sorted this. First of all, I'll put the filter, and after putting the filter I will sort it by folio number, so that each uh, folio number will come in pair. So you have to sort this from here, maybe through filter sorting. You can do filter sorting or you can do a normal sorting. So that's it. Just go into the filter, sort by A to Z or Z to A, whatever you wish. So now all the folios are in sequence, and what I'm going to do is, I'm just see this, these are the two folios. Okay, and these two folios have got same NAV or the different NAV. So if there are merger in and merger out cases with two different NAVs, means there is error and you need to report this to us. The only thing you have to understand here, what is the logic behind it, that's separate. You may call us our RM to understand that, but and please, only thing you have to do is you have to identify if there is merger in and merger out in the same folio, but NAVs, that rate has not changed here, means adjustment is due and there is some problem. So you need to report me. So this is another case which is appearing here, merger in, merger out. So you need to report me. Getting my point? So that is very, very important. Now how and what you will do, let me just show you. Just copy this from here, and as you have identified this error, because as I said, you need to report me all such merger in, merger out pairs under which both scheme have not got the same NAV or same rate. Just open your email ID, paste it here, and report it to us. Here we have to only write admin at armfintech.com. That's all. Admin at armfintech. No CC, no RM. You don't need to write to anyone. Just mention admin at armfintech.com. Subject, suitable subject is please fix my merger, or whatever you wish to write, and send it straight. No formalities, no issues. Just send it. And our team will immediately fix or release the patch in your system and identifying the scheme's error, and then we'll re-import the data in your system and make it perfect forever, no issues at all. So friends, that was the first instance. If you see here, this is our support system. I'm just sharing it with you so that you can understand that how quickly we can fix it. This is the picture of uh, our own internal ticket management system. So once you send the mail from there to admin at the arm fintech, it will instantly get reflected in our central ticket system. You see, uh, like I'm showing you, I'm filtering this is all ticket. Let me see all ticket. Okay, so these are all the tickets, and you see fix my merger. This is the mail which I just sent as a sample. So the RM will be assigned this case. This is the email which you sent to me. Okay, and our RM will take a remote assist from your, this is the remote assist. They will connect you at the suitable time, send you the link, and correct it immediately. So only time it will take is for the import of this particular folio data from the registrar, or maybe we require a different complete file also. So that 1 day gap may be there for the purpose of fixing it. So that is one area which you need to identify from the system. Now in the same file, let me show you some other errors which you can identify quickly. Like here you see there are merger in but no merger out. Let me see some other, like uh, it's in the Birla case. I had seen some, just a second. It's Aditya Birla Manufacturing. Yes, see here, this is the transaction type error. Whenever you find that there is a merger in but no merger out, means 100% there is an error related to transaction type, because merger in has been wrongly captured. It should be switch in. So since the Excel sheet data is filtered, it is sorted by folio wise. I can quickly identify that these are the cases which do not have merger out. So you have to copy this, paste it again, and report to us. In case of any confusion, you can simply send your Excel sheet. Our team can even sort it out, that which all are the problematic cases. But otherwise, if you can do that at your end, it will become easy for us and will really become quick for us to fix in the problem. So friends, these are the two basic things which I want as a request from your side. That small help, one time help, will really uh, make us comfortable, make us what you call, we can quickly close all the problems related to data which occurs on day to day basis. And I humbly request you, as our loyal customer, as our old friend, that please once do this exercise at your end, or ask your back office staff to do that, and we can quickly together make such corrections to make FinnSys really a perfect growth solution for you, and we can focus on different things from now onwards, instead of juggling with data errors and types. Okay, so that was it, friends. I would also urge you to look at our new pricing policy through FinnSys 360, which is being effective from 1st of January 2019. We are offering special early bird incentive, or rather you can say a coupon, which can be adjusted if you switch from old pricing to this new pricing. What this FinSys 360 is all about could be asked through your relationship manager, or you may check details in your emails which we had sent to all our users also. Basically, this FinSys 360 has got three key things in the system. One is that we have segregated the billing. Instead of 12 months, we have defined it in monthly model. So that may be a helpful recurring payment method for you. Secondly, what we have done is, instead of having different invoices for different products, we have clubbed all your invoices in one and made FinSys a complete package which includes website, mobile application, SSL certification for HTTPS, even everything in bundle: domain, hosting, e-commerce, API. So you won't be charged for anything extra. Any type of any new development which comes in will just be the part of FinSys 360. For other users, like for example, tomorrow we'll launch something related to general insurance policy, or maybe if we'll launch something related to electricity billing or the railway reservation utilities. So maybe that API would be charged extra for the old users, but once you are there in FinSys 360, it will be the part of your own upgradation. So I would again request you to see and check the features of FinSys 360, and if useful, do discuss about it also. Thank you. Thanks, friends.